Last time we worked on this bathtub, which got really cute. Before that, we worked on the bathroom cabinet. They're adorable. And this time, we're going to start out working on this fan. We need bag K, and we need K13. Here's K, and we need 13, and it's down there. I see it right here. That's K13. And we also need paper cut A26-9, which I'm going to guess is on here, this single sheet we've been cutting out of. And we are going to glue K13 onto A26-9. Now, a hint, you may want to cut just on the inside of the solid line. That way it's not going to come out over the edge. But there we have it, our little fan. And now we're going to make the bed. And it says, before making, cut M01, M02, M04, and M05 according to the template. So, M01 is our material again. And we have a 5 and a 6 for that. So we need our patterns. We need M01 -5 and -6. And that's on here, right here. We also need M02. M02 is the coffee colored linen. So that would be here. This is our coffee colored linen. We need M02-1, which is here. And we also need M02-2 here. So we need these. These go with the linen. We also need our cardboard. So we have all our materials. And we have M01, 5 and 6. I don't know if you can see that. I might be off camera. So M02-1 and 2 go with the linen. M01-5 and 6 go with the silky material. And then we need M04-4 for the cardboard. Now that's just our materials that we need to cut. We also need M05, 2 and 3. M05, 2 and 3. And this is on a little gold piece, which we have already worked on. So let's do our cutting and then come back and get our parts out. We need to cut all our patterns out first. Okay, here's our parts. M02-1, M02-2, M01-5, M01-6, M04-4, and our 3 M05-3s, and our M05-2. And now we need our wood pieces. We need K01, which is our headboard right here, and K02, which is the baseboard, and then K04, it's the same color wood. These are the side rails. There's 2 of them. And we also need K03, which is this piece of plain brown board. We also need M13. M13 is white cotton. So this is M13 right here. Okay, so first we want to take that M05-2, which is the big gold circle, and glue that to the headboard. And next we want to take the M05-3s and glue them in the spaces indicated on the baseboard. That would be the headboard and the baseboard. And next we take our little bed frame, which is K03, and glue K4, and these go on the outside. And then we glue on the headboard and the baseboard. And next we want to take our piece of cardboard and wrap our white cloth around it. Okay, next we are gluing this fast to the bed. that to the side. They want us to take the brown linen cloth, and it says glue the red line and fold it in half, and the red line is along one of the short sides and halfway up the long side. And after folding in half, put an appropriate amount of cotton in the gap. Let's move on to this. They want us to glue this in a roll. I'm going to go to the Eileen's glue. I'm thinking this may work better. That's better. That worked better for the cloth than did the beacon. And then they want us to cut this in half. And seal the one end shut. And stuff cotton in it. Okay, let's go back to our quilt. I'm not real happy with these pillows. You can see the glue on all of this linen. So I'm not happy with that. But what are you gonna do? So we need to fold this over 1/2 centimeter and 1/2 centimeter again and glue it in place. We are just going to let that dry. Well, these are dry now, and to be honest, I don't like them. You can see the glue on them. Now, whether that's just how it's going to be, or if it was just a poor choice of glue, but you can see the glue. It left a stain. And also where I crimped it, it left indents, and it does not look fluffy. Not really sure how or if I can fix that, but it doesn't look all that good. So you're forewarned. Maybe find a different way to crimp it, or just crimp it at the ends. But this does not look very nice. Unfortunately, I'm stuck with it. There is not enough cloth to make another one. Just trying to get under here and loosen this a bit so it doesn't look quite so bad. That did help a little bit. But you're forewarned. Hopefully it won't be obvious when it's all put together. That's making it look a little better. And could probably even use a little less stuffing. That's not too bad. And as for the pillows, I really don't know how to fix that because you can see the glue here. But we'll continue on. So we've got our bed and our pillows and our fan and our little cover. And we're to put the pillows on the bed. And our quilt on top of that. We could probably set these up a little higher. I think they're showing them more up this way. And our quilt. Now they're showing it down over the edges, so we'll probably have to glue it there a little bit. And then we've got this little coverlet, and then the fan goes over here. So let's do that. Got kind of cute. Actually got really cute considering. Can't really see the mattress at all, but it's still really cute.